Hi everyone, our team is Data Crocodiles and we are here to present you the challenge of predicting a safety score for women in Costa Rica. Costa Rica is ranked in 32 place out of 163 countries when it comes to the overall peace in 2020 based on the Global Peace Index. Police statistics have shown that about 70% of the complaints of street sexual harassment in Costa Rica in 2019 were submitted by women. So our objective and goal of this study was to try to develop a metric to translate the safety index in the districts of San Jose Canton. So for methods and data, we focused on the crime reports, demographic data, ArcGIS data, and OpenStreetMaps data, all from the Costa Rica, and then we performed EDA on those data sets. For the safety index, we researched also on news and literature, and we created one index which is basically a weighted mean index based on 6 different sub-indexes: the security, the economics, the healthcare, the public areas, the public transportation, and the education. Then we performed the trimester and annual analysis. Finally, for the prediction models, we performed estimation of the safety index using models such as the linear regression or the ARIMA, and then we performed the trimester and annual prediction. This is the geographical representation of our safety index, the global outcome, on scale from red to green, from the lower to the highest safety index by district. Here we can see one of the sub-indexes outcome, in this case education, which is another output from our products, is to see the different sub-indexes for the different districts. So our final product is a geographical dashboard that is user-friendly and easy to read and interpret. For example, the geographical representation by district, it's by colors, so anyone independent of the age and the level of literacy can read it and understand it. It presents a high granularity of the safety index with the sub-indexes representation as well, and the index can be extended to the other cantons upon the availability of the related data. About the business and the use case. It's basically the female population. You can see the geographical representation of the safety index by district. The index is computed taking into account crimes related to women. It can be also for population in general, tourists see which areas are more problematic, and can be also used for policy makers and local authorities that can see the geographical representation of the safety index by district and sub-indexes and just adjust their policies to increase them. Nevertheless, there's still some limitations about the low quantity of data in terms of trimester and years, the small number of demographic indicators, the time intervals with COVID-19 that have disrupted the trends in the data, and finally the low level of detail about the crimes, for instance, which should also include data on the gender of the aggressor. So that's it. Thank you very much for your attention.